This is Shobha Sapamaski. Now I would like to discuss the topic etiquette and manners, which comes under personal conduct and appearance here. You might be knowing very well. Nowadays, the way we behave in the society is very important here. Manners are very important here. Besides our qualification, our experience, our manners matters much in the society here. The way we behave, especially it might be with an individual or in the society or with anyone here. So here they have given an example here. For example, an middle-aged man named Gopal, who had entered the railway station. He had wore the safari suits. That Gopal was seeming like an educated man, a rich man, and he was wearing a safari suit and he had a suitcase in his hand. After entering the railway station, he called the porter to carry his suitcase. Along with the porter, he came to the waiting hall and then he paid some money to the porter. At that time, the porter as well as this Gopal had an heat argument between each other. That porter was not happy the way this middle-aged man Gopal had given money. So later that porter went out. And now this Gopal entered the washroom. He took a towel from his suitcase and entered the washroom. He washed his face and then he came and sat on the chair. He took peanuts and the soft drinks. After eating those peanuts, he threw those peanuts on the floor, and even that soft drinks, after having drunk over that, he had even thrown that bottle on the floor. This is what the Gopal behaved. Though seems to be qualified, educated, but he behaved in such a way. After some time, another woman, middle-aged woman named Saroja, who had wore a cotton sari, and she too entered the railway station, and she called the porter to carry her luggages. Along with the porter, she too entered the waiting hall, and then this Saroja asked a woman who was sitting side by the seat, "Can I sit on this seat?" Then that foreign girl named Melissa, she was observing both these persons here, Gopal as well as this Saroja. Earlier, that Melissa, that foreign woman, had observed Gopal, and now she is observing this Saroja. And now Saroja, after getting a seat, she sat on the chair and she paid some money, whatever the porter had asked, and she had given money more than the porter had asked. And the porter was very happy, and he kept the luggages over there. And further, he said to this Saroja, the woman, that if the train comes next, then you call me, I will come and keep your luggages in the train. And he went out. And now Saroja took a towel from his suitcase and entered the washroom. She went to the washroom. After having washed his face, she came outside and sat on the chair. She too took peanuts in order to eat over there. After eating the peanuts, she threw in the dustbin, and then she went out. And these two persons, the way Gopal behaved earlier and now the way Saroja is behaving, were being observed by that foreign woman named Melissa. And she was totally surprised to see these different kinds of personalities in the country like India. And further, if we discuss regarding the manners, whenever we were rushing to get a seat in the bus or in the train, first give the seat to the elder people, old-aged people, or else pregnant women, or else to a children's, or to the physically handicapped persons. It will be a good manner and it will be respected everywhere. Okay. Whenever you are just boarding the bus or the train, first give the way for them, for the elder people, physically challenged, and all these people here. And next, whenever you are just moving in a crowded road, give the way to the vehicles. Give the way to the vehicles to pass right through them. Okay. If they wish to overtake your vehicle, allow them to pass. It will be considered as a good road manners nowadays. Don't behave in such a rude way with everyone. In this society, actually, the society, what it expects from us is a good manners, nothing more than that. For example, if you see the mirror, our face will be seen as if like. Similarly, in the society, whatever we speak, that in turn will get a respect. As in Newton's law, for every action there will be a reaction. Similarly, it follows like that. Sometimes, if we show our index finger when we will be standing very, very nearer to our friend or to a stranger, if we show our index finger, it will be considered as uncultured manner. Okay, so you just go on speaking. Sometimes, if you wish to speak with any of the friends, as you will be far away, if you clap over there means all will get disturbed. In front of us, back side, right side, left side, you will get disturbed. Don't do such things. And always, sometimes what happens, always keeping your fingers inside the mouth. When after eating something, it will be stuck in the teeth means don't do such things. It is not going to be a good manners here. Okay, so whatever a good behavior, always cultivate the good habits. Always cultivate the good habits here. Okay, wherever you go, even in the society, sometimes it might be in the hospitals or any other places, first allow the elder persons, physically challenged persons, and whenever if they won't get a seat to sit, first give them to sit. Make them to feel comfortable. So by helping all this, always help, always give your hand to a needy hands here. Always give your hand to a needy people. Sometimes what happens, there are many people, those who wish to share their problems, express their emotions, in order to, if they express their feelings means they will get some relief. But whenever it might be your friend or your strangers or any of the people, when they come nearer to you, when they wish to express their feelings or emotions, just to share with them. Okay, don't neglect them. At least by hearing, okay, they will get some relief from their problems here. So all these things are very important, especially personal conduct and appearance. This etiquette and manners is very important here, because besides our whatever we had studied, besides our high qualification, besides our experience, besides our richness, that won't matter much. The only matters is our manners here. Thank you.